Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the Microsoft Store app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Make sure you are signed in with the correct Microsoft account email. Click your profile icon in the top right corner to open the account menu. Choose Payment and Billing from the list to view saved payment methods. This section shows credit cards, PayPal accounts, and Microsoft account balance if available. Keep your billing address and phone number ready for verification during edits. Click Add a Payment option to enter a new card or a PayPal account. Enter the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and a billing address that matches your bank records. For PayPal, choose Sign in and authorize Microsoft to use that PayPal account. After adding a method, select Set as Default to make it primary for app and game purchases. You can also edit card details by choosing Edit next to any saved card. Save changes and wait to remove an old payment method. Select Remove next to the saved card and confirm the deletion. If Microsoft prompts for identity confirmation, follow the verify steps or re-authenticate your PayPal account as requested. Update your region and billing address and account. Microsoft.com if you experience regional restrictions or declined payments. After changes, make a small test purchase or download a free app to confirm the new method works properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.